Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Healing Salon. I'm Golareh, and today I want to talk to you about mindfulness meditation. Specifically, I want to talk to you about mindfulness meditation for pain relief. All right, let's get to it. Now I know, unless you've practiced mindfulness meditation, and unless you've experienced the effects of mindfulness meditation on pain management, you are going to be skeptical. It's totally fine. It's normal. I understand. I mean, honestly, how could meditating possibly reduce pain? It's not like it's a painkiller. And you're right. It's not a painkiller. At least not in the traditional pharmaceutical sense. Meditation is not a pill you can take to relieve your symptoms. It's unlikely that you're going to sit down and do a 10-minute meditation and then bam, all your migraines are gone. It doesn't really work that way. But studies have shown that mindfulness meditation, when done right and regularly, can reduce pain considerably. How though? How can sitting down and relaxing your whole body and letting go of your pain and anxiety and stress help with pain relief? When you think about it that way, how can it not? You see, to really understand why mindfulness meditation helps with pain relief, we should start by understanding pain itself. In simple terms, pain can be categorized into two types, primary and secondary. Primary pain is the information your body sends to your brain telling it that there's something wrong with the body. It's that uncomfortable feeling you get because of an injury or an illness or some form of damage to your body. Secondary pain is how your brain processes primary pain. Ever hear the expression, she's got a high pain threshold? Well, that's essentially referring to the point at which a sensation becomes painful, and that has everything to do with how your brain processes primary pain. In other words, secondary pain is subjective. It is the intensity of the pain you feel which is governed by your mind's ability to control and handle the objective primary pain. Now, aside from primary and secondary pain, when you're suffering from pain, your mind is also processing a whole range of other emotions which aren't good for you or your pain. Feelings of anxiety like, why is this happening to me? Is it ever going to get better? What if I develop new pain because of the pain I'm in today? Or feelings of stress like, how can I treat this pain? How much is it going to cost me? Can I afford it? What if I need to take some time off work to do the treatment? What if I lose my job because of the time off I need to take? Or feelings of depression like, I can't believe this is happening to me. How am I ever going to be happy again when I'm always in pain? I can't believe this is how my life turned out. So on and so forth. This anxiety and stress and depression are like fertilizers for your pain. They tense you up, make you lose sleep, and affect your immune system. You lose your appetite and your ability to be social, all the while the pain is getting worse and worse, and you're stuck in this vicious cycle you can't seem to get out of. Now here's where mindfulness meditation for pain relief comes in. The great thing about mindfulness meditation is that it separates your primary objective pain from your secondary subjective pain. This allows you to focus on the actual physical pain and separate it from your perception of it, taking away your judgment of it. But how can focusing on the actual pain make it better? That's a fair question. You see, mindfulness meditation for pain relief uses a technique called body scanning. By systematically bringing attention to different parts of your body and focusing on the areas where you're suffering the most discomfort, you begin to analyze your primary source of pain and distinguish it from your perception of it. This internal data gathering empowers you. As you analyze and understand your primary source of pain, you diminish the grip of secondary pain over you, which reduces the overall feelings of pain. Combining body scanning with deep body relaxation also has the potential to alleviate primary pain. As you let go of tension in your muscle and focus on your breathing, you give yourself, at least for the duration of the meditation exercise, relief from stress, anxiety, and worry. What makes all of this even better is that the benefits of mindfulness meditation for pain relief grow with practice. The more often you meditate, the deeper and more focused your meditation, enhancing its benefits. There's also other reasons to make meditation part of your daily routine, but we'll get into those more next time. For now, If you're looking for a way to manage your pain, try mindfulness meditation for pain relief. It can't hurt. To get started, check out my guided mindfulness meditation for pain relief on the Healing Salon's YouTube channel. And while you're there, check out our other meditation exercises and music. We launched the Healing Salon in December of 2019, but we post content pretty regularly. So if you like our stuff, please subscribe to our channel and click that bell so you can be notified when we release new meditations. Also, if you're interested in seeing us create even more mindfulness and healing content, please consider becoming a patron to the Healing Salon on patreon.com. I'll drop the link below just in case. We're also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at the Healing Salon. Hope to see you there. Happy meditating!